Hey, want to know what are the best cold emails approaches to get more clients? This is the Cold Email Teardown series, the place where we analyze cold emails and find out what works or not, so you can replicate them in your campaigns. Today, we analyze a cold email sent by an agency with the goal of generating more clients. Let's check it out together. So the goal of this email was to get the prospect to book a meeting and close them on a call. The target was roofers based in Portland, Maine. Subject line: are you accepting customers right now? Hi Steve, I noted that when I searched roofer Portland, Maine, I couldn't find you. I specialize in generating a steady stream of new customers for roofers and other entrepreneurs through digital marketing, specifically customers who are actively looking for your services. I know you get emails like this all the time, so I will be brief. We are a new agency and we're looking for a few high-quality roofing businesses to work with for free for 1 month in exchange for testimonials. Would you be open to a 5-minute phone call? I will share competitor information with you specific to Portland, Maine that will be valuable regardless of whether you end up working with us or not. Have a great rest of your day. Best regards. Let's start with the subject line. Are you accepting customers right now? Questions tend to work well in subject lines as they are intriguing. Plus, this one here is straightforward, so prospects know what the email is going to be about. If you want, you can even personalize it by adding their name or their company name so it feels like you're directly talking to them. For example, are you accepting customers right now? First name. Is company name accepting new customers? Let's see the rest of the email. Hi Steve, I noted that when I searched roofer Portland, Maine, I couldn't find you. So it shows that you did research on the prospect. You go straight to the point by underlining a pain point, which is good, but I would start the email with an icebreaker that can be a genuine compliment about their business or website. That way you establish a connection and grab their attention, emphasize the point you're making after. It's a pity to have a great website if no one can see it, right? I specialize in generating a steady stream of new customers for roofers and other entrepreneurs through digital marketing, specifically customers who are actively looking for your services. So your intro is too self-centered and you're not focusing enough on them. Instead of introducing your company immediately, state what's in it for your prospect and how you can help them solve their pain. You can even add social proof. For example, mention some stats, how many people are searching for these services each month. Make it relevant and valuable for the prospect. I know you get emails like this all the time, so I will be brief. So okay, it's an empty statement that a lot of people use, so it doesn't really serve your email. You can remove it. We are a new agency and we are looking for a few high-quality roofing businesses to work with for free for 1 month in exchange for testimonials. So the first part is too generic. Focus on your prospect and say you want to work with them, not everybody. It also feels like you need your prospect's help, while it should be the way around. I'd remove in exchange for testimonials and save it for the call, just to remove any potential reasons your prospect could decline the call. They don't need to know that right away. That would mean we only mention working for free for 1 month, which is a really good offer, of course, but when someone says I'll work for free, you always wonder what's the catch. So maybe focus on how you can help them and provide value. Would you be open to a 5-minute phone call? I will share competitor information with you specific to Portland, Maine that will be valuable regardless of whether you end up working with us or not. So your CTA is clear and concise. I like the fact you're providing extra value in your CTA, and at the same time you're giving one more reason for the prospect to book a call. Even if they don't work with you, they'll get free valuable information. And usually people love to get information on their competitors. I'd say you can remove whether you end up working with us or not. It's not necessary. Now I'm going to take around 10-15 minutes to rewrite this email.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, so here's the new version of the email. Hi Steve, icebreaker about prospect's website or business. I noticed I couldn't find you when searching for roofer Portland, Maine on Google. Did you know that each month number people searching for roofer Portland, Maine that could be potential customers for you? There are some quick things you can do to rank in the top X on Google. Would you be open to a 5-minute call to discuss it? I'll share some tactics and valuable competitor information. Have a great rest of your day. Best regards. So it works because you give a genuine compliment that grabs your prospect's attention and keeps them reading. You highlight a pain point, you add social proof by sharing relevant stats, you provide more value for them, you have a clear CTA that triggers curiosity, and your prospect has nothing to lose by having a call with you. If you want your cold email to be analyzed by our team of experts too, it's simple. Join our Facebook community, the link is in the description, then leave a comment below.